How to clean up junk files and boost storage on any Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily clean up the junk files to boost your storage on your Android device. So if your phone feels slow, laggy, or keeps running out of space, these simple steps might help you clear your junk files and instantly free up your storage. Alright, so let's just get started. First thing first, you can use the built-in storage cleaner. Most Android phones have built-in cleanup or free up space option. To find it, go to settings, and then from here you need to find your storage section. Under device care, you'll find storage. Then once you are here, you can clear out all of your junk files like duplicate files. If you tap on it, it's going to show you all the duplicate files you have in your device, and you should be able to clear it. Then you can also find large files and delete them. Sometimes there might be unnecessary large files, so you can easily clear them out. Then go to memory. It's going to go ahead and check for your memory uses. And as you can see, I can instantly clean 1.5 GB of my memory, which is going to significantly boost the performance. Then you can clear the cache manually on your apps. So you can do that by going over to apps again. Tap on the app that you want to clear cache from. So let me just quickly scroll down here, find Instagram, go to storage, and you can find clear cache option down below. Once you have done that, you can uninstall your unused apps. So for that, you can go ahead and sort your apps by tapping on this little sorting icon, and then tap on sort by last used. Tap on OK. It's going to show you all the apps that you've last used, and you can scroll all the way to the bottom to find the apps that you haven't used in a long time. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.